What's up, everybody? So we're back. Clean up all these with a wire brush. Some of this lube here. Shove this input and around the outside. Everything lubed up pretty good. Our last pieces in the kit. It's this little gasket here. If we can figure out which way this actually goes. There we go. One other thing I was gonna do is we gotta see if we can get one of these fill plugs out, which I think it's that one. I think it's pretty dirty, but we know this one works, but we're gonna have to have that one to fill it. Then I'm missing my torch. Go ahead, torch this up. I think somebody's been in there before, because these look like they're already pretty messed up. Yep. So this one fits good, but switch out to one of these Torx. Nope. So here's our gasket. Just a super thin material because this has a weep hole on the bottom anyway, so it doesn't really matter. You can silicone it all you want. And then I like to use this ultra torque here and just I'm gonna brush up these threads. That way when I put the nuts on them, I don't have to fight them so bad. Still probably gonna be snug, but it's gotta help. We're gonna get the bottoms first. Got this wrench, I cut the top off. Broke it a couple years ago, and once you get to the top, it gets a little bit tight up there. We already got the transmission pulled down from where it normally sits so we could get to the top of the transfer case bolts all the way. There you go. Then I got one up here on the top. Same thing. So that pops in. Then we got our vent hose here. That also needs to go up. I know you can't see this, but it's there. Pretty simple. Right there at the top. We are locked in. We got our mount here. Yeah, we got oh cow. That was a real pain. these two here. This truck's getting to be a pain in the ass, mainly just because stuff's hard to do on my own, but pretty much that's the end of the transfer case, except for putting some fluid in it and putting the drive shaft in it. Next video we got to do the U-joints and probably top off the transfer case once we have the drive shaft in it so that it can seal. Still waiting on a few parts for the rear end, and we should be done this week, so fingers crossed. So catch you guys on the next one.